guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. मेरे YouTube channel में आप सबको स्वागत है. আমার YouTube channel তোমাদের সবাইকে স্বাগত. I am Megha Ghosh, in short MG, and you're watching MG Styles. So I am back with yet another makeup video, and I'm really enjoying makeup tutorials, you guys. So today's video, as you guys already know from the title of the video, is going to be a brown toned makeup tutorial. Yeah, watch the full video to know how I created the look, and in today's video I've shared some different products and some of the gems that I really love. So watch the full video to know that products. Without further ado, let's roll into the video. So moisturize my skin very well, and now I'll apply a facial oil that is from the Good Vibes Rosehip. And always remember, apply your facial oil after your moisturizer, because if you apply facial oil before your moisturizer, then moisturizer cannot penetrate through facial oil. So that's supposed to be applied after your moisturizer. Now I'm going to take 2 to 3 drops of the facial oil, and I'll just warm it up a bit and apply. So this will help my makeup to be a little bit glowy, and also it will help the makeup to glide on very easily. So I always like my base to be a little bit dewy and all. So see the radiant glow as it cleans, and this is a little bit thick, like it's not runny, and I like it. It's very good, you know, if you apply it before your makeup. And again, I got this for free. And
कौन है ये लोग? कहाँ से आते हैं?
I'm loving it. Now I'm done with the facial oil, and you can see already it's glowing. And now I'll go on to the base. So for that, I'm going to use the Lakme 925 Primer Plus Matte Perfect Cover Foundation in the shade N220 Neutral Medium. And this is one of my favorite foundation. It's like medium to full coverage foundation, and I really love it. It's quite affordable, and I love this. So for that, you just, whenever you're using this foundation, just tap it a bit. And this comes with a spatula, and I'm just going to take and apply a nice amount of foundation. You can see I have some spots here. Yeah, I'm taking a damn beauty blender. I'll just blend it all in. You can see the finish, it's full coverage. Now I've taken quite a lot amount of the foundation, so that's why it's like you will blend it very well. So you will see slowly it's all blending in, and it slowly matches my skin tone again. So once I blend it all in, you will understand. So I've just blended my foundation very well, and now I'm going to go with my brows, and for that I'm going to use the Nykaa Wow My Brow in this step. When you're covering your eyelids and all, I will just, you know, line my brows and give it a nice shape, because when you line it with your concealer, that gives a very nice shape to your brows and also gives an uplifted look. So that's why I'm going to shape it with this concealer. And the concealer I'm going to use is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Pure Beige, and it's like one of the best concealers, and I just really love it. It's one of my favorite. The coverage is awesome, and this shade particularly, I always tell that, like this shade Pure Beige, this has an orange tint to it. So this will really help to cover your dark circles. So I'm going to take the concealer on this brush. I'm going to shape my brows like this. See. Just see the difference between the two brows. Can you see it was all looking really thick and not in place? Still the shape was not right, like this one. But now see, it's all like the shape is very nice. Now I'll conceal my under eyes. And again, as I told you, like today I'm in the mood to, you know, make a flawless base and all. So that's why I'll just go a little extra and cover all the little marks that I have. One tip I would like to give is, if you have like very dark circles, then what you can do is apply your concealer and wait for a bit to let it dry, you know. Just इसमें कवरेज ज़्यादा आता है. Like don't let it totally dry, but just wait for a bit and then blend it in. You will see the coverage, will get more coverage with that. Concealer is all set, and now I will go with my eyeshadow. Now as this is a brown tone makeup tutorial, so obviously I'll play with some brown shades when it comes to my eyes. Now I'm going to use the Givenchy eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to mostly play with this area, like the brown shades. So I'll just take a lighter shade first. So I'll just take this shade and this these 4 shades. I'll just play with these 4 shades today. So I'll create a brown smoky eye look because it's a brown tone makeup look, right? So I'll go with a light brown shade. And always I like my eyeshadow to, you know, this way, so that it looks lifted. Now I'm done with my eyes, and today I'm going to use any eyeliner. Rather, I'm going to use a black shade eyeshadow shade, and I'm going to take this angular brush and I'm going to smoke it out. Like I just use it here. So now you see like the difference. So it's not like that very black, you know, that the thing that you would have achieved with the eyeliner. Like it's all blended. Like see with the layers, like this brown, and then it goes with a, you know, light black. Again, I'll do the same thing for the other eye, and also I'll apply my lashes and come back. So I'm back with my eyelashes on, and now I'll contour. So for contouring, I'm going to use a cream contour, but that's lipstick. That's the Maybelline Nude Nuance, Maybelline New York Sensational Matte range. Yes. See how nicely it's blending in. And like this is a very good lipstick, and it's very comfortable on the lips as well, and also when I'm using it as a contour shade, this is doing a superb job. So I've blended the contour, and what happens when you're blending contour, especially cream contour, is sometimes it can get messy. To give it a proper, you know, like dimension and the shape, to keep it proper, what I'll do is I'll just use this Fit Me loose powder, and I'll just place it here and do this, so that all that messiness, whatever has happened, this will again set it in place. See, now this will be fine. For the blush, I'm going to use the Face Shop Water Fit Lip Tint in the shade Cherry Kiss. A beautiful lip tint and a cheek tint also. Like I use it, you can use it in a multiple ways. So today I'm going to use it as a blush. Shade particularly Cherry Kiss is very beautiful. Just some dots. This is also like very much, see. And when you just blend it in, this is beautiful. Now I'll just take my beauty blender and dab on it to give it a more natural finish. So I'm done with the base, and now for the highlighter, I'm going to use the Swiss Beauty Illuminator Pearl Illuminator, the shade
2000 years later.
In the shade 01 Golden Pink. Again, this is a very, very pretty highlighter. Just take a little bit of it. And just see the glow. Now I'm gonna set my face with the setting spray. So for that, I'm gonna use the Plum face mist, green tea face mist. Again, I was speaking about this in one of my video, and again this can be used in multiple ways. And I'm just gonna cover my eyes and apply. Okay, the cap fell down. Take a beauty sponge and just dab it. So that is the base, and now I'm done with everything, only the last step. So I'm gonna line my lips with the brown lip liner. Now comes my most favorite part, that is applying lipstick, and especially the lipstick that I'm going to use today is one of my absolute favorite, and this is from Purple. This is their Purple mini lipstick in the shade My First Camping 18. So this is a beautiful dark brown shade, and I tend to use it the most. Like whenever I go somewhere, I just love this shade so much, and when I apply it, you will get it why I love it so much. Now something that I completely forgot is to apply some brown shade in my lower lashes. Now I'll apply some mascara on my lower lashes. So I'm done with the whole look, and just see the lipstick. You can already understand why it's my favorite lipstick. This will complement your skin tone so much. So do let me know your thoughts on this brown makeup look. That highlighter is really good. Like from this whole thing, if you really want to buy something which is affordable, go for the highlighter. I'm telling you, you will not regret. Go for the highlighter and thank me later. This is the perfect fall makeup look, but my love for this look, like I do it every time, like throughout the year, wherever I go, especially that's occasions like weddings and all. So that's why I thought to share this with you guys. So if you really want to buy something from today's video, just go with that Swiss Beautica Illuminator and this lip shade from Purple, and thank me later. Like, come back to the video and thank me later. Trust me, this is really very cheap, and at the same time the quality is amazing. You will not regret buying this product. So that is it for today's video. We'll see you guys soon in my next video. Bye.